Hello, today in Mr. Wishing and the Family Kitchen, we're making a peanut butter Asian cucumber salad. So first off, you want a cucumber, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. You probably don't have that much, so I'm just gonna dump it all in. A tablespoon of peanut butter, some garlic, and now you want to whisk it. Okay, now after massaging your cucumber for a while, so it just so nice and out, cut it. Okay, so now we just toss this all in there. Not all of it. Now we whisk it again. Maybe spatulize it. Okie dokie, artichoke. You got it. Now we're gonna want to cut up some green onion. Okay. So now I'm going to toss these into here. I'm gonna mix it all again. Now we're going to try one of these. It's good. The peanuts are quite apparent, so is the sesames. But overall, it's really good. I recommend you make it. Thank you for watching. As all for today, and Wilson in the Family Kitchen, please like and subscribe and have a good day. Thank you. So now we just toss this all in there.